Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the setting and usage of the Picklist mode of the Zebra engine. Picklist mode is a productivity feature that benefits users who need to capture one barcode among many in proximity. When Picklist mode is enabled, the scanner will only decode the barcode under the aimer, versus the default mode which will capture any barcodes within the field of view. This feature is particularly useful in warehouse and retail environments where users are frequently required to scan a case, pallet, or receiving label. To enable Picklist mode, you only need to scan the following two configuration barcodes in order. The first is enable Picklist mode always, and the second is to enable auto aim. After you set these two barcodes, the Picklist mode can work normally. For example, in the video below, the scanner only decodes the barcode under the green aiming dot. Scanning tip. The closer your scanner is to the barcode, the smaller the aiming point for scanning. This mode does not work in default mode. You have to enable this function. When you do not want to use the Picklist mode, please scan the barcode to restore the default.
Generalscan. Scan mobile world, decode creative future.